step and put the numbers in order. That is probably the worst part of this, to me, at least, I would say. So let's do this. Okay. So we've got them in order 46 up to 157. It's always a good plan to count and see how many there were, how many pieces of data. There were 10 up here. And there are 10 here. So we should be good to go. All right, we put them in order. We're going to find the middle or the median of these numbers when we have them from least to greatest. So I'm just going to put a dot over the outsides until I get to the middle. And I get to these last two. So that tells me that I just need to get the average, the mean of these two numbers. So I'm going to do 64 plus 91 divided by 2. All right, so added them up and I'm dividing by 2 and I get that the median is 77.5. And so this is the median. And so that's that number. All right, now we're going to do our lower quartile and our upper quartile. So I'm going to change what I have here instead of a circle. Oh, I don't want to erase everything. I do want to just kind of put a divider line though in between the 64 and the 91. Okay, that was my middle, so to speak. So now I'm going to find the median of these 5. So I've got outside, outside, and then this is the middle of that lower half. And so that is called quartile 1. So Q1, which is usually written with a little 1 there. So the first quartile, sorry, and turn off my alarm, is 59. And let's do the same thing for the upper half. We've got the outsides, and that leaves 123. So that is Q3. Okay, that's super not easy to read with the thickness of that pen. All right, so we're getting closer and closer to our final answer, which is the interquartile range. Interquartile range is simply Q3 minus Q1. So we're going to subtract those two numbers and we'll have our final answer. So IQR, interquartile range, is Q3 minus Q1. There I go again, making the notation not great. But we're going to subtract 123 minus 59 and get our answer. So the interquartile range is 64. And that's it. Hope that helps. See you next time.